आजकल जीरो साइज का बड़ा खुमार छाया हुआ है। इस हिसाब से आपकी फिगर को माशाल्लाह देखकर कहीं ना कहीं आपने भी कुछ मेहनत कर रही हैं।
मैंने जी बहुत मेहनत की है, बट साइज 0 होने की, बस फिट रहने की।
नहीं तो आप किसको सोचती हैं कि करीना है या किसकी आप दीवानी है जिसको आप कह सकते हैं कि हाँ भाई जीरो साइज इनका सबसे अच्छा है?
0 साइज किसका
अच्छा है ये कह
अच्छा
सकते हैं, आप बताइए।
साइज 0 ही होता है।
नहीं तो आप बताइए, आपसे हम लोग पूछ रहे
आई
हैं।
थिंक करीना, उन्होंने जो एक ट्रेंड शुरू कर दी थी साइज 0 की, तो आई थिंक शी इज द मेन पर्सन।
क्या कभी आपने अपने किसी को एक्टर को, जैसे आपने सलमान के साथ काम किया और आप अक्षय के साथ काम कर रही हैं, एंड आप पहले फैशन डिजाइनर भी रह चुकी हैं, उनको कभी आपने फैशन टिप्स दिए हैं कुछ?
फैशन टिप्स आई थिंक जिनके साथ भी मैं काम कर रही हूँ, दे हैव बीन स्टाइल आइकॉन्स इन देयर ओन वे, तो उतनी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती मुझे टिप्स देने की, बट आई हैव स्टाइल्ड सलमान इन वन ऑफ हिज शूट्स दैट ही डिड।
What are those 3 things that Sonakshi Sinha will never endorse?
I think y'all have printed all those things that I won't ever endorse. No bikini, no kissing, all of that. I'm not scared of doing item numbers. The songs are really good that have been coming out. And for me, for stage shows, I was wearing what I was comfortable in, dancing. The moves that I was doing were what I was comfortable in. So, yeah, I think, yeah, it all depends on my comfort level. It's not like I'm scared of anything.
It has been said that Salman Khan will be doing a Fear Factor kind of show on television. Would you like to participate in Salman's Khatro Ke Khiladi?
Not that I've heard of, but for now, let me participate in Provoke's Live Mad. Really mad. I've studied 3 years of fashion designing and I've become an actor. Arbaz is going to be directing Dabangg 2, and it's going to start in January 2012. Memories of Provoke have always been very cool. Every time you look at any of the hoardings, you just are awestruck. So I think it connects with the youth in a very big way. It's confident, cool, young, spunky, and I think that's what attracts us to Provoke.
So did you also buy a Provoke wear for yourself with your first pocket money?
Not with my first pocket money, but with my first earned money.
Oh, way to go. Zordar Talia for all 3 of them.
First and foremost, in Bollywood, it's considered that, you know, an actor's success is equated to the brands that they promote. And recently, you have replaced Katrina in a brand, a soap brand, and now with Provoke. So do you think that you're the next big thing in terms of brand promotions? And who do you think is the biggest in the commercial levels in Bollywood amongst the actresses?
I think I've not replaced anyone per se. I've just filled up a space that was empty for a long while. And I'm not complaining at all. I'm getting good brands to be associated with, and very happy about that. So no complaints, and I think this is the only way to go forward.
क्या कभी आपने अपने किसी को एक्टर को, जैसे आपने सलमान के साथ काम किया और आप अक्षय के साथ काम कर रही हैं, एंड आप पहले फैशन डिजाइनर भी रह चुकी हैं, उनको कभी आपने फैशन टिप्स दिए हैं कुछ?
फैशन टिप्स आई थिंक जिनके साथ भी मैं काम कर रही हूँ, दे हैव बीन स्टाइल आइकॉन्स इन देयर ओन वे, तो उतनी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती मुझे टिप्स देने की, बट आई हैव स्टाइल्ड सलमान इन वन ऑफ हिज शूट्स दैट ही डिड.
Which shoot was that?
It was for Dabu Ratnani's calendar last year, but unfortunately he was topless, so the shirt was on his the shirt on his shoulder was my idea.
Sonakshi, the 2 very good-looking gentlemen you have worked with, Salman and Akshay, out of the 2, if you had to pick up a style icon, who do you think is a better, has got a better sense?
Tricky question.
Tricky, but I think I'd have to say Salman, because right from you know, the masses to the classes to everybody, I think they all follow him. Anything he does, like say for instance the sunglasses in the back or his bracelet, they become a style statement for a lot of youngsters who try to emulate him.
As a kid, did you ever try to, imitate someone's style from the Silver Spoon?
Yeah, I think it was Sridevi.
And by the way, she says her dad's dialogue also very well.
You had to put me into this, didn't you?
It has been said that Salman Khan will be doing a Fear Factor kind of show on television. Would you like to participate in Salman's Khatro Ke Khiladi?
Not that I've heard of, but for now, let me participate in Provoke's Live Mad.
आजकल जीरो साइज का बड़ा खुमार छाया हुआ है, इस हिसाब से आपकी फिगर को माशाल्लाह देखकर कहीं ना कहीं आपने भी कुछ मेहनत कर रही हैं।
मैंने जी बहुत मेहनत की है, बट साइज 0 होने की, बस फिट रहने की।
नहीं तो आप किसको सोचती हैं कि करीना है या किसकी आप दीवानी है जिसको आप कह सकते हैं कि हाँ भाई जीरो साइज इनका सबसे अच्छा है?
0 साइज किसका
अच्छा है ये कह
अच्छा
सकते हैं, आप बताइए।
साइज 0 ही होता है।
नहीं तो आप बताइए, आपसे हम लोग पूछ रहे
आई
हैं।
थिंक करीना, उन्होंने जो एक ट्रेंड शुरू कर दी थी साइज 0 की, तो आई थिंक शी इज द मेन पर्सन। आई एम नॉट scared of doing item numbers. The songs are really good that have been coming out, and for me, for stage shows, I was wearing what I was comfortable in, dancing. The moves that I was doing were what I was comfortable in. So yeah, I think it all depends on my comfort level. It's not like I'm scared of anything.
What are those 3 things that Sonakshi Sinha will never endorse?
I think y'all have printed all those things that I won't ever endorse. No bikini, no kissing, all of that.
Nakshi, I want to know that what is your style statement like? Like, because Provoke is known for its style brands, and in the Bang we saw you in a very Indian ethnic thing. So are you as comfortable with Western as you are with Indian?
Absolutely. I think my first film projected me as a very Indian girl, a village girl. That will not happen in all my other films. So I think personally for me, I've been born and brought up in Mumbai. A very urban girl. I like being casual. I like being cool. I like being spunky. I like wearing my torn jeans whenever I get the chance. So I think Provoke and me do get along in that aspect.
The thing which you're wearing is, it's totally summer, which you're wearing right now. So what exactly your taste for this summer?
This is the summer collection that we're unveiling for women, the women's wear line. And my take is summery floral dresses, nice prints, shirts, loose, cool shirts to wear. I think my style statement, I think, is very casual, always has been. So that casual and cool for the summer. Really mad. I've studied 3 years of fashion designing and I've become an actor.
एक फिल्म के बाद जब ओवरनाइट स्टार बन जाते हो आप, प्रोवोक जैसा ब्रांड आपके पास है, ऐसे कई चीज़ें हैं, तो एक सस्टेन करना कहीं वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है। कहीं डर नहीं लगता कि इसके बाद क्या?
लगता अगर इसके बाद कुछ करने को होता नहीं, बट आई थिंक आई हैव बीन वेरी ब्लेस्ड विथ द work that I'm getting in terms of films, in terms of endorsements. So I like to live in the present. मैं अभी का सोच रही हूँ, जो अब काम मेरे आगे है मैं वही करना चाहती हूँ और अच्छे से करना चाहती हूँ. I said earlier, I'm comfortable in both worlds, Indian and Western. And my Indian look is what I've been accepted for, so I like wearing saris, I like wearing anarkalis. But Western is what I've been wearing my whole life, and I love my casual jeans and t-shirt look. I think because I have studied fashion for so long, and no education goes to waste. So when Salil and they came to me, Provoke came to me, I said, why not let me design for you? And if people sort of connect to that, if they think that the person endorsing the brand is actually doing much more than posing, it makes a difference. So hopefully I can give my inputs on their collections, whatever design inputs that come from them, I can give my inputs on that also as well. And I'm very happy to be associated with Provoke. I think they've seen, how the way my career is shaping up, and they think I'm able to contribute to their brand in some way as a brand ambassador. So very happy about this association, and hopefully it will be a long and fruitful one. Arbaz is going to be directing Dabangg 2, and it's going to start in January 2012.